Good morning, this is Michael Natow from High Tech Trader. Today we're looking at a high temperature tube furnace. We'll start, it's a dual range, two-range system made by MHI actually. It's one of the controllers. Chris, if you could just measure this distance, I believe it's a 2-inch diameter. Alright, 2-inch diameter. And the overall length of from here, from corner to here, is 26 inches. Now you do have a gap in between where they're separating it. Okay, here's the other controller. Let's pop this open, take a look on the inside. Alright. Also your heating elements are going in there. Extra spacing for your furnace. Nice heavy duty top case. 2 power supplies in the back. Thermocouples. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call 609-518-9100. Thank you from High Tech Trader.